Hi everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Today we're taking a look at the 540 that I just put together. You see that video isn't too old on YouTube there, but it was missing a chain brake handle. And any of you guys that have searched for 540 8800 parts or the John Deere 550 CS, which is a 8800 in deer colors, you know finding parts for those is pretty difficult. And I kind of had a thought in my head about where I could get a chain brake handle that looked close to right. So I dug the 550 down out of the attic because it was conveniently located. And I know that's a little dark there. Let's see if I can get some more light on it. I want to show you how, there we go, how they compare. So this is factory on the 550. This is my test fit of a different chain brake handle on the 540. Now the seller that I bought that handle from claimed that it came from a Homelite 250. I'm not positive. There were about 3 different part numbers offered for the 250, 252, and 300 throughout their series run. But you can see they're pretty damn similar. They mount using the same hardware. That I have verified through the parts manuals. I did not have the proper bolt for this one, but what I did actually is probably as good or better. I took a piece of brake tubing, and I think that's 1/4 inch inside diameter brake tubing if I remember right, and I cut a piece to make a sleeve in there and then just used a bolt with a lock washer or screw, whatever, and it pivots perfectly. Now I still need to source a pin where it connects to the actual brake mechanism itself. Right here there's a proper pin, and again that's dark back in there and this bar is so long. I don't know if I'm gonna get this spun around. I'll try. There we go. You can see there's an actual pin there, and it's got an E-clip on the back. So I will source that rather than using a screw because I don't want to tear the plastic out. But it sits sits in about the same location. The decal is similar. Actually, I'll be damned if that isn't the same decal. So other than the extra height that's up here and the little kind of casting reinforcement, pretty similar. So anyway, I'll quit rambling, but I'll finish it up with this. If you've got a 540 or an 8800 on the shelf and you've been trying to find at least the chain brake flag itself, I would strongly recommend looking at a used setup from a 300 Homelite. It'll look appropriate, and quite frankly, to the non-trained eye, probably nobody would ever know the difference.